Who is the president of Peru? Francisco Sagasti. Sagasti sworn in as interim president after the departure of two presidents over the last week on November 18, 2020. Who is the president of USA, United States of America? Joe Biden. Democrat Joe Biden has been declared the winner of 2020 US presidential election after defeating Donald Trump on November 7, 2020. Biden's running mate, California Senator Kamala Harris, becomes first black and Indian American woman to serve as vice president. Who is the Prime Minister of New Zealand? Jacinda Ardern. Ardern was sworn in as the Prime Minister of New Zealand for second term after her landslide victory on November 6, 2020. Ardern, who was first elected in 2017, secured her second term by winning over opponents by 50% votes in the polls held on October 17. Who is the Prime Minister of Jordan? Bashar al-Qasne. The King of Jordan, Abdullah Hill, has designated his chief policy advisor, Bashar al-Qasne, as the country's new prime minister on October 7, 2020, and has advised to form his new government. The 51-year-old veteran diplomat Bashar al-Qasne will succeed the previous government of Omar al-Razaz. Who is the president of Afghanistan? Ashraf Ghani. Incumbent President Ashraf Ghani has been declared as the winner of Afghanistan presidential election on February 18, 2020. Ghani served as President of Afghanistan from 2014, and he is also served as Finance Minister of Afghanistan from 2002 to 2004 and the Chancellor of Kabul University. Who is the Prime Minister of France? Jean Castex. French President Emmanuel Macron named Jean Castex as the new PM of France on July 3, 2020. He replaced the former French Prime Minister Édouard Philippe, who resigned from the post ahead of a government reshuffle. Who is the President of Greece? Katerina Sakellapoulou. Greece Parliament has elected Katerina Sakellapoulou as the first woman president in the country history on January 22, 2020. She succeeded current Conservative President Prokopis Pavlopoulos. Who is the President of Guyana? Irfan Ali. Mohammad Irfan Ali, a former Member of Parliament and Housing Minister, has been sworn in as the President of Guyana on August 2, 2020. The 40-year-old People's Progressive Party candidate has taken over as the 10th President of the country after succeeding David A. Granger. Who is the Prime Minister of Iraq? Mustafa al-Kadhimi. Former head of Iraq's intelligence agency, Mustafa al-Kadhimi was sworn in as the country's sixth prime minister on May 7, 2020. Former PM Adil Abdul Mahdi resigned in November 2019 due to massive anti-government protests. Who is the Prime Minister of Ireland? Michael Martin. Michael Martin has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Republic of Ireland on June 27, 2020. The 59-year-old Martin is serving as the 15th Prime Minister of the country. He succeeds Leo Varadkar. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan? Yoshihide Suga. Japanese ruling party President Yoshihide Suga has been elected as the country's Prime Minister in a parliamentary vote on September 16, 2020. He succeeded the outgoing Shinzo Abe, who announced last month that he would be stepping down due to health reasons. He served as Minister of Internal Affairs and Communications during the Shinzo Abe's first tenure as Prime Minister. Who is the Prime Minister of Malaysia? Muhyiddin Yassin. Former Deputy Prime Minister Muhyiddin bin Haji Mohammad Yassin became Malaysia's eighth Prime Minister on March 1, 2020. He succeeded Mahathir bin Mohamad, who abruptly resigned in February 2020 and was in office since the general elections 2018. Who is the Prime Minister of Mali? Mokhtar Oune. Former Deputy Prime Minister Muhyiddin bin Ali Mohammed, who is the President of Guinea, Alpha Conde. The incumbent President of the Republic of Guinea, Alpha Conde, has won the country's presidential election with 59.5% of vote to secure a controversial third term. He won the election against Celulio Delin Dilalo, who got 33.5% votes in the election. The 82-year-old has been serving as the president of Guinea since December 2010. Who is the Prime Minister of Malta? Robert Abela. Malta's governing party has elected a new Robert Abela as 14th Prime Minister of Malta on January 12, 2020. At the internal party election, he obtained 9,342 votes against 6,798 for his rival Chris Fayana. He replaced Joseph Muscat, who resigned in December 2019. Who is the President of Mali? Ba Ndwa, former Defense Minister of Mali. Ba Ndwa has been appointed as the new president of the country on September 21, 2020. He has been appointed for an interim period of 18 months following the 2020 Malian coup that overthrew President Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta. Who is the President of Poland? Andrzej Duda. Poland's incumbent president Andrzej Duda has been re-elected in the 2020 president election for another 5-year term on July 12, 2020. Duda beat Rafal Trzaskowski with a very narrow margin, winning 51.03% of total valid votes in the presidential election. Who is the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Mahinda Rajapaksa. Sri Lanka's former President Mahinda Rajapaksa took oath as the country's Prime Minister on August 9, 2020. This is the fourth time that the 74-year-old Sri Lanka People's Party leader has been appointed as the PM of Sri Lanka. Who is the Prime Minister of Singapore? Lee Hsien Loong. Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong's ruling party's Action Party has returned to power, winning 83 of 93 seats in general election held on July 10, 2020. The 68-year-old Loong is serving as the third Prime Minister of Singapore since August 2004. Who is the Prime Minister of Tunisia? Ailis Fakhfakh. Tunisian President Kais Saied has designated former Minister of Finance Ailis Fakhfakh as the country's new Prime Minister on January 20, 2020. He replaced Youssef Chahed, who has been Prime Minister of the Republic of Tunisia since 2016.